Hi everyone, how are you? Hope everything is going good in this pandemic. It is tough, but journey still continues, okay? So in last class, we have discussed about magnetic field, field lines and its properties. Today we are going to discuss the magnetic effect of electric current. Actually, the electromagnetism starts from here. So today we are going to discuss magnetic effect of electric current. Effect of electric current. So as the name suggests, so if current is there, there will be some magnetic effect. So electromagnetism, that means current, electricity and magnetism due to magnet. So these combines and the topic, the branch of physics, electromagnetism comes into play. This electromagnetism concept was discovered by Henry Western in 1820. In 1820, Western actually discovered this. This discovery actually a gift to mankind. He had discovered this, and even this discovery also by accident only it has happened. So what he has done, what he has discovered, he has observed when a compass needle is there nearby any current carrying wire, then what he has observed, the compass needle is getting deflected. The compass needle getting deflected, and we all know inside the compass needle there is a magnet. So that means when a wire is here and suppose a compass is over here, what he has observed, when current is passing through this wire, this needle is getting deflected. This needle is getting deflected, and last lectures we have studied in magnetic field only this needle will get deflected. That means there is some magnetic field. So from that conclusion is कि around this current carrying conductor there is some magnetic field. So what does it mean? It means this conducting wire, current carrying wire behaves as a magnet. So current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. So finally what he has told us, he has told a compass needle get deflected when a current carrying metallic conductor is placed nearby it. Okay. Now to understand this, we will draw a diagram, circuit diagram. Okay. Suppose your battery is over here. Okay, battery is over here. Suppose this is plus, this is minus, and a switch is connected over here. A switch. Okay, and here a compass needle. A compass needle. And you know the red mark. The red mark will be of north. Okay. You can say, if I do like this, this is north. Let me make it more realistic way. And this is your south pole of your needle, compass needle, and this is your north pole of the compass needle. Okay, and this is your resistance. So what he has observed, when this switch, if you close the switch, now circuit is complete. It is a closed circuit. That means current will flow like this. Current will flow like this. If current will flow like this, what I have observed, when current flows in circuit, this needle is getting deflected. This needle is getting deflected, and he has observed getting this north this is your north, is getting deflected in this direction. Okay. What is the direction? Suppose north, south, west, east. Okay. Now we will come to know why I have done this diagram. Okay. Suppose this is your south north. Okay. Suppose I'll draw, for me it is a south, for me this is south and this is north. So this will be your east, this will be your west. See? Okay. So he has observed कि when current flows from south to north, then what is happening? North is getting deflected towards your west. See, north is getting deflected towards your west. Okay. Now, again what he has done, he has changed the direction of the current. How you will change the direction of the current? You have to change the polarity. You have to change the polarity of your battery source. So it will become, suppose it is now positive, you will change this, it will become positive and it will become negative. So now in the reverse direction current will flow. So he has observed when the direction of the current is reversed, the deflection of needle is there, but it is in opposite direction. So it is in opposite direction. So that means if you change the direction of current, deflection will be of opposite direction. So the conclusion is, when current flow is there in the circuit, there is deflection in compass needle. So deflection of compass needle means there will be some magnetic field. And again, if you will increase the strength of the current, if you will increase the magnitude of the current, how will you increase the magnitude of the current? Suppose you have supplied a 6 volt battery over here. Now, suppose 2 ampere current is flowing. I have told you just increase the current value. How will you increase the current value? Here, take a variable resistance. That is your rheostat, and vary the resistance. If the resistance becomes low, then more current will flow. So you can increase the value of the current. So when the magnitude of the current increases, he has observed the magnetic field is much more stronger. That means conclusion is, when there is current, there is a magnetic field. Production is happening over around that current carrying conductor, you can say. Now very important is, when the magnitude of current increases, the strength of the magnetic field also increases. The strength of magnetic field also increases. Important conclusion. Clear? So, and when he reverses the current direction, then deflection is in opposite direction. Now, we'll comes to this now. Why this? Purpose is to find the direction of the magnetic field. In last lecture also we have seen the north pole. When you are keeping the north pole, so it is getting aligned in the direction of the magnetic field. So here also we will now see how to find the direction of the magnetic field. So now I am rubbing it up. We are going to see 2 rules to know the direction of the magnetic field. First is your snow rule. This is your snow rule. What is this snow rule, by the way? Snow means this S is for south and N is for north, W is for west, and O is compass is placed over the wire. compass means compass needle. Compass is placed over the wire. Okay. So now there also I have done the diagram. I want to do it again. Suppose this is your current carrying conductor, your wire. This is your south. This is your north. Okay. And if current flows from south to north, and you will keep your compass needle like this. Okay. If you will keep your compass needle like this, what will happen? This north will deflected in this direction. This north will get deflected. This is your west. This is your east. So, if the current flows from south to north and compass is placed over this wire, then you will see the magnetic field, the needle will deflect in the west direction. So, this is your direction of the magnetic field. That means you will get your magnetic field like this. You will get your magnetic field like this way, like this. Okay. So, this is your snow rule. Clear? What is snow rule? What is the purpose of this snow rule? To get the direction of the magnetic field. If current flows from south to north and we will keep the compass placed over your wire, then deflection, your direction of the magnetic field will be towards this west. That means west to east, like this. Like this. Your direction of the magnetic field will be like this. Clear? I think it is clear. The compass will deflected towards your west. Now another rules also there. So this is your snow rule. Then second rule is Ampere swimming rule. Because of scientist Ampere. Ampere swimming rule. What this rule is telling us? Which information we are getting from this? Again, this rule is to know the direction of the magnetic field. Suppose swimming means a swimmer. Suppose a swimmer is swimming like this. And this swimmer is swimming along the direction of the current. That means current is entering through its feet and coming out through its head. If the current direction is like this and swimmer is swimming along the current, then what will happen? If you keep your compass needle like this, if you keep your compass needle over here, just below this current carrying conductor, this is your north, this is your south. Then according to this swimming rule, if current is flowing like this, then the deflection of the needle will be towards the left hand, towards this. The deflection of the north pole will be towards the left hand. See, finally it is all same. Here also current flowing from south to north. If it is south to north, if this is south, this is north, which one is your east and west? This is your east, this is your west. Am I clear? So it is all same. When current flowing from south to north, your needle is getting deflected towards west, like snow rule. Here also, it is another way of giving the same information in different way. So when the swimmer is swimming along the direction of the current, that means current is entering through the feet and coming out of the head. If you keep your compass needle, then compass needle will get deflected towards the left hand of the swimmer. So finally it is all same. Hope I am clear with this. And what is the purpose of these rules also? Clear? To give the direction of the current. So after this, we are going to study about the right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. This is easy now. No confusion of south, east, west, nothing. Okay. And this is in case of current carrying straight conductor. So if current will flow like this So your magnetic field direction will be like this. This will be like this. So like right hand thumb rule, like this. So current is flowing in the direction of the current and curl the finger, then this is the direction of the magnetic field. Beautiful. Here current will be entering and here current will be coming out. If entering means that you will put a cross mark, if coming out means you will put a dot. Coming out of the paper, going inside the paper. So this thing in detail we are going to study in my next lecture, and from this actually this chapter is interesting. So hope till now there is no confusion about this chapter. So in my next lecture we will be discussing this right hand thumb rule for the straight current carrying conductor. After that we will discuss about the circular loop. If your wire is of circular shape, then what will happen to the direction of the current magnetic field, direction of the magnetic field. In detail we are going to study one by one. So for today this much. If any problem, please let me know. WhatsApp number is there, my website address is there. If people can contact me through this either number or through the website address. And today is the last day of this 2020 for I think maximum people, I think everyone. It is a tough year. So all my best wishes for the next year. Enjoy your day. So happy new year to you all and prosperous new year. Enjoy and stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.